Hi there. In this video, I'm going to be going over analytic accounting and budgets. So we're just going to jump right in. Right now, I'm in the home page of my analytic accounts, and I can see I've just got one analytic account created for our quarterly budget. I can get a look at my debits, my credits, and my balance. I'm going to click right into the quarterly budget, and you'll see below I've got 3 of my departments set up with this budget. I have marketing, sales, and HR, and then I have budgetary positions associated for all of those departments as well. The budgetary position basically tells us what accounts are allowed for that part of the budget, so it funnels correctly. Now I can click in to get a look at what accounts are associated. I have created an account for marketing expenses to funnel into marketing. I'll save that. For sales, I'm going to have it all funnel into our sales expense account, as you can see here. And for HR, there was a new account created right here for HR expenses. I can add a line to add additional accounts if necessary. I can also create another account on the fly if necessary as well, but if I like the way it looks, I'll just discard and save it as is. So we'll save that up. I'm allowed to create a start date and an end date here, give it a planned amount, so what we plan to spend. Our practical amount is what we've already spent of this amount, and theoretical amount is calculated based off of this time period here. So it's basically telling us what we should have spent already. And then achievement is calculated based off of this theoretical amount. So here we can see for sales, we've spent $900 of our 1,000, but we only should have spent 744 with what we're on track to spend. So it's going to tell us we're a little over at 120%. Achievement is more helpful for revenue, but that's okay. We're still going to look at it now. Next thing to turn our attention to would be our smart buttons up at the top. So I am able to click in to get a better look at my budget, and I can export this if needed. I can also see some additional fields. I'm then going to click into our gross margin to get a better look at where my money is going. I can see here that I've got 2 billboards that I bought for $500. It'll give me the date. And again, I can click through for some other fields that I might want to see. I'm able to click into my vendor bills to see which vendor bills are associated to this budget. So this is the analytic account, basically helping us funnel everything all together. And I can see all the purchases that have been made. So there's been one purchase made for advertising that we just saw on our gross margin. So next thing to take a look at would be using this in action. We're going to go ahead and create a vendor bill. We're actually going to purchase another billboard just to see how that works because we love our Odoo billboards. I'll take the taxes off. I will give this a price. Let's say this one was only $300. I'll save that. I'm going to associate my analytic account, and I want to make sure that this is heading into my marketing. I will save this, and I can confirm. Just got to add a bill date really quick. And we can see how this affects our quarterly budget. So I can come here and I can refresh really quick. And I'm able to see here that we have now spent $1,300. Our achievement went up. If I come into my gross margin, I will see this went from 5 to 6. And we've got another billboard here for $300. Next thing we can do is head into reporting. We'll go into our profit and loss to see this in action. Now, I do have some periods up here for comparison. I've got 2020, what a wonderful year, 2021 and 2022. And I'm able to come through and filter by my analytic accounts. So let me take that one off and we'll see how the data just changed itself up. I can throw it back on if I wanted to. I can also exit out. So no comparison if I just want to see 2022 and get some data there. I can do the same thing over in my balance sheet. So I'll be able to scroll down, see more of what I'm spending down at the bottom. Maybe I want to take quarterly budget off. And all of my data, of course, has changed from zeros to actual data. And here I can also throw some comparisons in as well. So let's do same period as last year. Maybe I want to see this by 3. Apply. And there we go. If you have any additional questions, please email them over to samo@odoo.com. I hope this video was helpful.